Looks okay here, not that bad. Looks like it's getting back and operational. JetBlue's in good shape. I don't know about the rest of the airport, but looks pretty good here. Everything's so the airport looks like it's back and running order. This lady behind me is a real grouch, the one with the blonde one right here. Everything looks pretty good. Back in order. There goes grouchy lady. Going to get my bags, but the airport doesn't look so bad. Alright, airport doesn't look so bad in JetBlue because they're always advanced. So let's see what's going on outside when I get to when my father picks me up. Alright, so signing off, and then we'll be back in a little while.